Hello, welcome to Pi International Education. Today we're here with another IELTS tips and tricks video, specifically on reading. Now, tip we're going to cover, or the trick we're going to cover today is going to be active reading. Now, what is active reading? Active reading is reading with a purpose. Active reading makes it easier for you to get information, decipher tricky passages, and to actually gather the meaning behind any sort of the IELTS passages. As we all know, they are very difficult to understand. So if we actively read, we can actually get information quickly and efficiently, making you get a higher band score on your reading exam. One of the main strategies to use when you are actively reading is SQ3R. Now that stands for Survey, Question, Read, Review, and Recall. Survey. Survey is when you skim through the document and try to get the main idea. So all you have to do is skim, which means read the first line and the last line of each paragraph and just kind of get the general idea behind the passage. Next, question. Now, you question yourself, what is the purpose of reading this passage? What is the tone of the author? What information am I trying to actually gather when reading this text? If I question myself while reading, it's proven to improve my comprehension, which is what? The understanding of the text. If you can understand the text, you can definitely answer the questions much more effectively. Now we're going to move on to the 3 R's. So the first one is to read. Read the passage carefully and break up the passage into small, different parts. Why I say this is because it'll be easier to navigate through the whole thing. Read it carefully and again, keep looking for those main ideas, those key words, and those main points being made. The next one, review. Review the information that you have just gathered from reading the passage. How much of this makes sense to you? Does it add up to the survey? Does it make sense to the questions you've asked yourself? Review the information and try to get a general, clear-cut understanding of the passage. And this is the step where you can kind of start doing the first questions. Now, the last R is to recall. How much can you remember? Now, how I like to apply this to my IELTS passages is to write little side notes next to the paragraphs which I have read and already applied my active reading skills to. And what I would write in those little side notes is just the main topic or the main point of that certain paragraph. Now, if you can apply these active reading skills effectively and efficiently, I promise you, you will score higher on your IELTS reading exam. Now, for more learning resources and access to online courses, please feel free to visit www.mypibd.com and access our e-learning platform. Thank you.